Gold and silver traded bullish for the day. We have seen gold moving towards 2610, 2612 zone, while silver has also moved close to $31 levels. What to expect now with the US session from gold and silver? Can we expect gold to move towards 2720 and silver to trade beyond $31 levels, or it is possible for the metals to drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. Let's have a look at the gold on the early chart. See here, you can see bullishness getting diminished, then a reversal sign appearing. Once it trades now below 270402 zone, you can expect it to keep moving towards 2698 and 2694. Yes, it can come down to take the support from this zone, and if it trades below this, you can expect 269088 levels to be the greatest support, below which only you can say now gold prices are turning bearish. Else, as long as now 2690 2680 zone is not taken today, do not read this as bearish. It is trading in this channel. The lows of the channel now are at 2688.90 zone. Stochastic coming down, the MACD trying to converge, not yet crossed over. The RSI coming down, coming to 2 hour. Look at the 2 hour chart and see this could become the reversal candle. First it needs to trade below 260402 zone. Then what it can do, it can erase the gains from this candle, which means it can come down towards 2696 2698 zone, which should be a very good support. 2694 is also a very good support, and then 269088. These are the going to remain the greatest support. Even if gold tries to stay bullish, these levels might get achieved where it can come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average. Stochastic near to the top, MACD rising, RSI near to top as well. On the 3 hour, now see on the 3 hour charts, first of all, it has created a very good support at 2695.90 zone. This is the strongest support which it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. After forming this big base, what we had seen, one bullish candle and second bullish candle. Also, it has left a wick on the upside. So it suggests that it can still deliver a stronger candle, but not before retracing towards the lows here. And thus, as long as now 2695.94 or in fact 2690 is 88 is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bearish. Only and only if it trades below 2688.90 zone, you can expect slight bearishness here in the gold prices. Stochastic here is near to the top. The MACD is trading with divergence. It is staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also overbought here as well. Coming to the 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, steps are getting created. One bullish candle has appeared, and now once it trades beyond 2610, 2710, 2712 zone, you can expect 2616, 2716, 2720, and 2725. In the Asia session update, also I have mentioned very clearly that if gold stays above 2700, we can expect 2710, 12 as the first, 2716, 20, and 25. These are the three levels it needs to break on the upside, because beyond this, chances will be high that we may see 2750 levels in gold. But right now I can see a bit of a struggle. Let's see which direction it gives a breakout. On the upside, 27 10 12 you should watch out for. On the downside, only below 27 or 2690 594 and then 2688.90 you can say that it is reversing. Look at the stochastic. This is overbought. The MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is trading bullish, looking upwards, still suggestive of further bullishness here. The RSI is also overbought here. Coming to the on the daily charts, it candle started with higher lows and it is started towards higher highs here, and now hitting the highs, it is trying to reverse. There is still further scope for it to move towards 27 16 20 or 25 zone, because beyond that, that should be the breakout which can take it towards extreme highs, which can in fact take it towards 27 32 40 and in fact 27 50, the strongest resistance on the upside. But what right now I am looking at is a bit of swing here, and possibly it can try to in fact erase the gains towards 2680. This is something you should keep an eye on, because see, also what we had seen yesterday, 2676.78 was the strongest support, so only below which you can say now this is a reversal on the weekly charts, else it is still bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is looking upwards as well. So now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now where is the buy? Buy is only about 27.10, 27.12 zone. Expect 27.16, 20.25. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 27.32, 27.40 and 27.50. The strongest one on the upside, breaking beyond which is sky is the limit on the upside. 2800 levels should be there in the near term. Chances for which appears to be less. On the downside now, I'll recommend you to sell here at 27.0402 zone. If you see gold trading below 27.0402, expect it to move towards 2698, 2694, 2690. 2690, 88 is going to be the first strongest support, then 2683 will appear, and then 2670, 678. Any drop below 2670, 678 is a clear sign of more bearishness towards 2670, 68, and then a crash could appear, chances of which appears to be less as well. And hence, a little swings with larger trend on the buy side is what I can expect. So take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts, hitting the highs here at 30.90. It is now trying to reverse. It has come down towards the support zone here, and it is very crucial for silver to now trade below 30.50, 30.40 zone, which should be a good indication for the next move towards 30.20. And any drop below 30.20 is another bearish sign here for silver. Now see what is happening. What did we discuss earlier in the day? See, divide this into two, and you can see this is almost at the highs. It can form symmetry, it can come down towards the bottom here 30.20, and below this you can expect more bearishness. But first it needs to break below the critical support here at 30.50, 30.40 zone, which should be a strongest support here for the day. The stochastic looking down, MACD also crossed over. Now right now trading with divergence, looking down. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. They started from here, it has erased all the gains from this candle. It has now come down to take the support here. Possibly once it stays below this zone 30.50, 30.40, we are looking forward to a greater correction. But 30.40, 30.50 is going to be a very crucial support here for the day, because see, earlier this was the resistance. Now this could be the support here which it would like to test, and below this it may try to break further. But right now I can see good support coming in here at 30.50, 30.40 zone. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD trying to converge. If a crossover can lead to further drop. RSI also coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 3 hour chart, similar observation, breaking here with the resistance on the upside, and it has erased all the gains from this candle. Now it is on the verge of breaking here on the downside. Now see this red line coming from the long term trend, it has given a breakout. It may try to fall back within this channel here, which means a drop below 30.50, 30.40 is what you should look for in order to confirm further bearishness today. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped sharp. The MACD is also trying to converge, but right now it is bullish. RSI is also coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar observations. See one bullish candle, couple of candles it took to erase all the gains from the preceding candle. Now let it stay below this zone, let it stay below 30.50, 30.40, and then we can expect silver to move towards 30.20 and $30 levels. Below $30 levels is where you can say now the crash is beginning here, and you can expect a correction here, chances of which appears to be less as of now. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone, MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, RSI also coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the on the daily chart, see this is what we had seen here for gold. Silver's daily chart, you can find out that, see, first of all, yesterday was an extremely stronger bullish candle. What has happened? Look at this, divide this into two, you can find out this comes with slightly higher highs. What preceded this was a good round of bullishness. What could follow is a good round of retracement. This possibility is high here, but right now I can say that his stance is not so aggressively bearish. Now support levels at 30 is going to be strong. Previously these candles it stayed with the support at 30, and now again these candles, even if it tries to drop, $30 level should be an extremely stronger support here. And also notice what silver did here is, after the drop, it is still under retracement. It has to now break beyond 31. I have mentioned this earlier in the day. Beyond 31, 31.20, I think we are looking forward to 31.50 and $32 levels. Right now it is on the verge of the breakout, but I think getting a stronger resistance here on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 30.90, $31 levels. Expect it to move towards 31.20, 30.25 as the first target, 31.50 at the next. Beyond 31.50, no looking back, stay bullish for 31.80 and $32 levels. I do not expect this to rise so strongly today, but yes, these are markets. Breakout on the upside is something you should watch out for. Beyond that, it is not going to come back down. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 30.50. 30-50 levels should be a good selling entry, but then 30-40-35 should be the first support zone. 30-20 should be the next, and below 30-20 it is going to correct sharp towards $30. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.